Good morning, Kai.
Morning.
Kai's just making some toast. Already had a Pastel De Nata.
4 a.m.
Is it like 4 a.m? It's still dark. We're about to head off from our first camping site. This is called Camping Ericeira, the name of the place. And I didn't really get too many videos last night of where we were because we were kind of just keen to get in, but this is our little spot. We got a non-powered site and it was €26 for a night, and we got access to the bathrooms, and then I'm pretty sure there's a laundry here as well, but we didn't end up using it. And we're going to drive straight up to Peniche and go explore that little town for a little bit, and then Nazaré.
Jump on in.
Jump on in. I love this van.
It's
so
awesome,
cool.
isn't it?
Oh, this is the campground. So these are the cabins that you can stay in, and then the beach is right there. Looks like we've got an hour drive. We decided to take the no toll road because it's going to, one, be cheaper, and then also it's going to take us up the coastal line, which will be really nice.
We're just outside of a town called Peniche. We're at a famous surf break called Super Tubules. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. But we're going to have a look.
Yeah, we're in a big car park at the moment. There's heaps of other cars and quite a few vans as well. There's even literally someone has set up a tent. If you can see it. Oh, they're just deflating it now.
Are they actually?
Yeah. But they had a teepee tent set up there. So obviously a lot of people stay here overnight. I'm going to see what this sign says. There's an umbrella zone. Can only put umbrellas in certain areas. We were just saying that there's so many surf schools here. So there's, like, we've just walked past 3 or 4 different surf schools, and now someone's put up another flag to say that they've got their school. Pop them up here. So different to the Gold Coast where, you know, maybe there's 2. 1 at each beach at least. Good. We've noticed that everybody is in steamers. Oh, yeah. That water is so cold. Where are we now, Kai?
We're in Peniche. This is main Peniche.
Okay, this is main Peniche
So
here.
that beach we were just on is over there.
Yeah. It's so funny how there's no handrails along here. This would absolutely never pass in Australia. And then there's this little ladder if you want to get down. Kai's seen a cat. He's talking to a horse. So pretty and so colourful. If everyone in Australia just committed to painting their house a different colour, it would look so nice.
It's so pretty.
Mm.
Look at the houses.
I know. This is our spot that we've stopped in for lunch.
Yep.
We're having leftover dinner. And this is our view. How good is that? Literally just on the edge of the road here. And then there's some cliffs. We might go have a close look at them after we eat some food. It was very nice heating up lunch with that view though.
So I think we'll go to the Naz, as I like to call it, Nazaré this afternoon. Check out the castle on the edge of the cliff and the big waves. Hopefully there's some big waves there.
But we're just going to enjoy this little view for a while and then we'll head off. So we are set up here, and then this is the view.
You missed it.
Yeah.
Nice.
You saw a cool building and I fumbled to get the thing out fast enough, and I don't think I did.
How tiny that woman is.
She is tiny. That is not me pushing up a pram. That is all I'm gonna say. Nah, I'll say a little bit more. We're walking.
I did come to surf, but the waves aren't big enough for me to surf.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
We're not gonna get out there today.
No, probably about 40 foot too small.
Yeah.
For us.
We're walking down to the famous lookout that you see in all the photos at Nazaré. Very, very busy here at the moment, so I wonder if there's something on or if it's just always busy like this.
Oh, it's a cruiser.
This is the first Toyota and 4-drive we've seen.
That's an old man. Emu.
There you go.
That's Australian.
We were just saying this morning how we haven't seen any 4-drive cars here. Everyone just does vans. I mean, it's only day 2, but now let's see if our van has been parked in.
That's the next big question, isn't it?
Yeah, we might be waiting out here for the next few hours if that's the case. On the road up here, there was a sign that said no camper vans, but we kept seeing people driving up here. So we were a bit confused, and then Kai looked on the maps and we found this car park. So we decided just to park halfway and then we walked the rest of the way in.
It was probably still like a 1k walk.
Yeah, but it was nice because we got to walk through the town and it was nice. Yeah, we've just been sitting in the van and we've found a spot that we're going to go to. This is where we're going to stay tonight. It's free and it's close to the beach, so I think it'll be nice. And we want it to be like a little bit busy and have someone else there, but not too busy. There's so many giant camper vans. That's so funny. We've just moved to here. It's looking a little bit nicer. It's just after 7 and so we've come up to the cliffs or the lookout to have a look at. This is our very strange dinner. We've got wraps, but we don't have any seasoning for our chicken other than salt. So we've just put some crushed up chips on it because that has flavour.
Why did you not use the croutons?
Because the croutons don't have any flavour in it. A flavour on it. Croutons would just be more bland stuff.
That's so funny.
Makes sense.
No, it doesn't.
Good morning. It is a rainy day. It started raining early this morning and it's very windy and cold. We just went to a local bakery. We got some Pastel De Natas and a croissant.
I think it's a croissant. It's a big croissant.
Yeah, though. I think it looks like a brioche croissant or something like that.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that looks ridiculous. Good?
Oh.
Tastes like brioche. Please, mate.
Oh, mate.
I had a look on TikTok this morning, some things to do just outside of Porto, and these churches popped up. Oh, it's actually they're probably actually at church, Kai, because it's Sunday. Oh, that was probably not a very good. But here it is. Look how cool it looks. Feels a bit disrespectful going just to take. Oh, look at that. That's all tiles. This is it here. It's very beautiful. We just had a little walk around the church building to see, and it was so beautiful. And now we're going to go up to that spot in Portugal. Portugal. Oh, of course, in Portugal. In Porto. See if we can find a spot that feels safe enough to leave the van for the day while we travel actually into the city. We are just having some cheese, hummus, and these little bread things.
Crosscuts.
Crosscuts?
Yeah, have you ever heard of crosscuts? What do you put in Caesar salad? Croutons.
Wow. But we found the most beautiful spot here.
I wouldn't say it's beautiful, but we're on the ocean, which is nice.
Wow, what a negative Nelly. It's like a normal car park, but apparently you're allowed to stay here overnight. We've ordered our Uber. It's going to take us to our class start location, just so that we can definitely know where we need to be later this afternoon, and then we're just going to walk across the bridge, go explore. And this is the car park that we're parked in, so there's not actually that many people, especially for a Sunday, and apparently we can stay here. We're walking under the bridge, the one that looks like a big arch. Just a lot happening.
Helicopters, markets,
Helicopters, markets, boats, so many people. This is there's footpaths on either side, but there's also cars driving through. Costs €10 for a round trip on those cable cars. Tell me if you think that's a lot or not, because I feel like we should do it, but I don't know, maybe it's a waste.
I'm being stingy.
Kai's being stingy, but I think
Pay for your Uber today.
Yeah, we just had a no spend day yesterday, and so felt really good not spending money. So I think we're kind of addicted to it now.
Challenge.
It's a challenge. Take a look at these boats though. There's lots of boats like this pulled up against the harbour, or up against the docks, I guess. And then there's these markets here that we're going to take a walk through. This is apparently the world's most beautiful McDonald's, they say. So behind us is just a wall of sardines, and in front...
Oh, shrimp. That's shrimp scampi, so shrimp eggs.
Oh, okay, sorry. What else do we have?
I don't know, that's all I understand.
Okay, I assume sardines because it says the fantastic world of the Portuguese sardine. You think it's going to be candy and then it's not. It's a very confusing store.
Down.
That was a random find. Okay, next one. What is it?
I don't know what they're on.
It's a big cheesy potato on the front. Oh, and there's a big cheesy potato at the back.
That's an organ.
The organ?
Hey, organ.
I think I saw this place on TikTok.
Oh, really?
I thought it was a potato. That's a fish cake and wine.
Or wine.
There you go. I wonder how old some of those books are. Yeah.
Made for cold.
Yeah, they look super old. Well, didn't you say Portugal is the oldest
Yeah,
city?
Yeah, in Europe.
In Europe? Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, they'd love a big warm-up. What the heck is happening? We're just sitting here waiting for our cooking class to start, and Kai happens to check the Park for Night app for the location that we're staying tonight, and someone had just left a review saying that great place, but at 12 o'clock today the police came through and were saying kicked everybody out, and that if you stayed you would get a 400 euro fine. But which is so strange because we were there at 12 today, so we don't know if he's just saying it to scare everybody off, or if he stayed there another day and this happened. So now we're not really sure what to do. Like, worst things worse, I guess we'll get back and there's a ticket on our car, but there's absolutely no parking signs. And I don't know, there's this parking lot here that you can stay at. There's a guy who's always there and looks after the place and parks your van for you, so it finds a space, but the roads are really small to get in and it costs money, obviously. Anyway, we're just walking up to our cooking class. Wish us luck.
There's a lot of eggs, isn't there?
There is a lot of eggs.
Did that fall on the floor? This needs to get on camera.
I don't know who did that.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, no pressure, but we need to buy more eggs for the class and we're doing that tomorrow, so I'd like you to not lose any other eggs, okay? That's how you look at it, you know, it's that and civil engineer. Hot, these are egg yolks, we do not want them to scramble, so one of you is going to come here and whisk the egg yolk, while the other one's going to pour 5 spoons in there.
Okay.
Okay? What's called tempering the egg yolks. Okay, we're gonna bring their temperature up nice and slowly as you cook them in a way that does not scramble them. Yeah, just go for it.
Yep.
There will be a piece at the end, and I will grade you. At anything below a B-, you do not get sweet donatas.
Take a class again.
And then I've already failed.
Okay?
Yeah.
What's here?
Do not bite into them right away. Wait a few minutes, please. Look, it is not all men, but it is always a man who bites into them and burns himself.
Thank you.
That's the youngest son. He wants to go into the army, I think.
We made it back to the van. No notices or anything.
No tickets.
And there's about 4 other vans out here
Yeah,
in this section. Kai and I got home just after 8 o'clock and we had a nap.
I actually had like an hour and a half nap. Almost. An hour nap.
Yeah. And we had a snooze. Now we've just made...
I definitely fell asleep.
Oh, me too. And then now we just made some dinner. Kai had hummus on a wrap for dinner. And I had lettuce and cucumber and cheese on a wrap
I had showers.
for dinner. Oh yeah, and then we each had a shower. Now we're gonna go to bed. Tomorrow we've got a big drive day.
And then we're going to visit Cacaius's, I think.
Okay.
Which is just below Lisbon.
Yeah.
And then we might end up just south of Lisbon for the night, I think.
Yeah. And I think we'll stay in a caravan park tomorrow night. Is that right?
Yeah.
So that we can wash
Freshen up,
things,
wash some clothes.
refill water.
Yeah, because we're halfway
Yeah.
on our water.
Alright. Good night.